Let's select this one, the next one, which would be the top of free rides. So expand that one. See this group? Click that. The text layer inside that group and type here, promotions. Let's copy this one. Command plus A or Control plus A and Control plus C or Command plus C. Press Control or Command plus Enter to accept it. Now shrink this, double click on group and paste it here. Command or Control V to paste that promotion text. Press Enter. Now we have this group renamed as promotion. Expand this. And select the promotion again. Press the Shift plus right arrow key from the keyboard. Again, the left arrow key, bottom arrow key, to align with the guideline at the left and the bottom. Now select the old icon. Delete this one. Okay, go to the exercise file. From there, bring Promo PNG. Open it with Photoshop. And drag and drop inside our working document. Let's see if it has the same color or not. FX menu, color overlay. No, we have to colorize again. Select the color and put this in the same hex code 6B6B75. Click OK. Okay, bring this icon to the top of this. The history icon. Okay, we have to increase the size. Control or Command T from the keyboard. And hold Shift plus Alt together. Increase the size of this icon. Okay, click OK from the option bar. Bring this icon and place it here. Make sure it is aligned with the guideline, but not the bottom one. Press the down arrow key one time, 2 times. Okay, great. So we have the promotion also. The next would be the notifications. So the next one will be this one. Expand this. Double click on the payment. Type here. Notifications. Command or Control plus Enter in order to accept this. Place it, align this one with the guideline. Left arrow key a few times. Down arrow key. And select the old icon. Drag and delete. Go to the exercise file. Bring the notification PNG. Open it with Photoshop. And bring this to our working document. We don't see it because we have to colorize it. Select the FX from the layer panel, color overlay, and color would remain the same. Yeah, it would be the same since we didn't change the color. While doing the color overlay, click OK. Bring this to on top of this history icon to make the notification icon the same size as the history. So Command or Control T from the keyboard. Hold down the Shift key from the keyboard. From the bottom side. Click OK now. Get this icon and place it here. Press the right arrow key one time to make it aligned with the guideline from the left-hand side. Now we have the great one. The next one is notifications. Double click here and type here notifications. Select the next one, which would be help. Control or Command plus Enter in order to accept it. align it with the guideline, the left and the bottom one. Press the down arrow key a few times. Okay. Select the old icon, drag and delete this one. Go to the exercise file. Bring the help PNG icon. Open it with Photoshop. Drag and drop in our working document. It's so big, this icon. We have to colorize this one. Select the effects from the layer panel. FX select color overlay. That is the same color. Click OK. And we have to resize this one. Make it smaller. Press Control or Command plus T from the keyboard. Hold down the Shift key while resizing. Click OK. Now bring this one on top of this promo icon. Control or Command plus T again. Hold down Alt and Shift key together and make it smaller. We have to get it almost the same size of our older icon. Click OK. Now bring this icon to here. Make sure it's aligned with the left guideline only, not the bottom one. Great. So we have finished the help icon. Click on that group and type help. Press enter. And we have the last one, which is setting, which would be this one. Expand this, double click on the payment and type here setting. Press Control or Command plus enter. Oh, no, double click again. Add the S, it would be settings. Command or Control plus enter. And place it align it with the guideline. Down arrow key 1 time, 2 times. Okay. Select the old icon. Drag and drop to delete. The exercise file. Bring the setting PNG. Which is this one. Open it in Photoshop. Drag and drop over to our working document. It's here, see? Colorize this one with that gray color. Select the FX menu. Color overlay. Yeah, it's colored automatically with the same color. Since we didn't change this, click OK. And place it on top of this help icon. Control or Command plus T. Hold down Shift and Alt key together and make it smaller. Click OK. Yeah, I think you have the same size. No, we have to increase the size a little bit. Only a little bit. Control or Command plus T, hold down Alt Option key, and increase it a little. Click OK. Now bring this one, the setting, and place it with this guideline from the left-hand side. That's awesome. Control or Command plus 0. Control or Command plus semicolon to hide the guidelines. Now see how our screen looks. It looks great. And we almost finished the Uber profile screen. Double click here and type settings. Press enter. Let's zoom in. The last thing we have to do is make a small line here and then a text about. So let's place a guideline. A guide to 1642. Just release it here. And select from the rectangle tool, hold and select the line tool. From here, this corner, make the pointer in this corner and drag a shape to here. Release it. And let's hide the guideline. Control or Command plus semicolon. And select the fill color to white. See, fill color to white. Select the Move tool. We have to close this gap. So, while this shape 1 is selected, the line, press the left arrow key one time. Yeah, the left side is okay. Now change the right side. The right side. Press Control or Command T from the keyboard. Increase the size. Match it with this. The black shape. It's done. Click OK. Now zoom out. Press Control or Command plus 0 from the keyboard. And while that line is selected, press 1 from the keyboard, so the opacity would be 10%. See, the opacity is 10%, and look at our line. The line, see how it looks? Very, very subtle one. Let's add some text. Press T from the keyboard or select T from the toolbar and click here. Type about. Press Control or Command Enter from the keyboard. Go to the character panel, make sure it's Helvetica regular. Helvetica new regular. Size is 50. And for the color, select the color. And if you pull the mouse pointer out of the window, a color picker appears. Click here on the notification icon or here. Same color. Click in the notification to see what color is selected. Same one we used for all the other icons. Click OK. So we have this text, about. Select the Move tool. Place it here. Let's bring back the guidelines. Control or Command plus semicolon. And place this about with this guideline in the left-hand side. Make this text in the middle. Press the up arrow key a few times. Okay, great, that's done. Control or Command plus 0. Control or Command plus semicolon to see how our profile screen looks. That looks marvelous. Also, we can expand the BG, the background group. Select the color fill of the layer. We can increase the opacity to 70 to make it more darker, or 80. See how it looks now? Translucent. So thank you for watching this lecture for the Uber profile. See you in the next lecture.